Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing to you my new experimental AI model which I have invented, the new Holo-Lite, which is actually an AI hyperdimensional computing for CPU only. You can read in my readme.md which I have made, which is actually for me to develop as a beginner developer, which I haven't made. Now in this file, which is actually the predicting for the next word, like how AI works with neural network. But this is actually different because it's actually forgotten and undiscovered. So I decided to find it by myself. And it also works well with CPU and it learns from single examples and no black box wait. In here, I'll show you the example for the toy, the demo, which which is the 10,000 bit hyper vectors. I'm running the code. Now you can see in here it is ready. Now I already put the sample dataset. You can see in here. Here's the dataset. Now I'm copying this. The model already studied from this, already trained instantly. Let me type exactly from the dataset. When I type enter, it will show in English. It has a confidence level for English and Python. You can see the level. The English has much more than Python. You can see in here this is a sample of a toy model. Now for this, another file, you can try it out, which is the holobrain underscore test. It will show the positive and negative. I like to design an AI that is CPU friendly so I can train it locally instead of paying more. Now you can see there's a holographic brain instead of neural networks like how AI industry used to. Now you can see in this source code. And then let me try run this code. And then it has started. And then it will show the prediction of this. Train, learn positive and negative. And in here you can see it learning the pattern for positive and negative. System save in .pkl. You can see in here it's already instantly saved. Prediction positive. Score higher than negative. In this code. What it predicts about, I feel amazing today. Return score true. It print prediction and score. The model is not wrong from the sample dataset. Now, for my favorite file, holo_brain.py. This is a bit complex for me to write in Python. Now we click in here, run the code. Hold on, it might be a problem there. Alright, for the code of holobrain.py, I already fixed the problem and I had to erase the .pkl file from the previous code. Now in here you can see from my terminal in here. Now the brain online 10,000 already started, ready to use. Now here are the commands you can use: train, save, load, status, and quit. Now I had this sample dataset, step by step, easy for you to know. Step 1, run the code, and then you can read in here, it starts math. It only knows English, Spanish, and Python because of the bootstrap function I added. And then teach it. Step 2, type /train Japanese konnichiwa. Now in here, it's just basically teaching the model to this. Here I paste it and click enter. It has learned and knows this as Japanese. Step 3, copy from this sample and then go here. It has already memorized it, the word of Japanese. Now you should give him a simple test. for this word, konnichiwa. Now let me type it. And it will show it was Japanese. Now you need to keep remember, when you give the model more dataset, it will understand more and memorize it better of the dataset. So the model can show the higher quality response. And you can prevent it from hallucinating by giving more high quality clean datasets. Now you can see this is how it works. Now, for example, for another language, I can show this. Click /train. Hold on. Train Indonesia Pintu, which translates door. I need to learn. Now when I type again, Pintu, and it shows that it is Indonesian, you can see the accuracy from the dataset. Now let me try give another sample. /train. You can see the Selamat Pagi, which translates to good morning. In here. And then, yes, learn. Let me type again. And then it will show it is Indonesian. And the model understands more. You can teach the model while chatting. And this is how the model works. Later, soon, I'll make more new code. So later I can make an actual chatbot that works like ChatGPT. Now I was also experiencing headaches to make this model to work. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.